welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how to solve a 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. The first thing, you need to know how to do the algorithm, the right algorithm, which is up, left, down, right. So you just want to practice that, okay? Up, left, down, right. And then the left algorithm, which is up, right, down, left. And you want to practice that as well. Okay, so when you practice that, you're gonna move it up. Okay, so we mixed it. And now the first thing you want to do is find the
top.
The white center. Okay, so the white center goes on the top, and then you need to turn it around. And well, first what we want to do is like this cross. So we need to find white pieces that aren't corners. So here there aren't any white pieces. Here there's a white piece. So what we want to do is I'm going to turn it down, okay? And then there's a white piece down here. So this white piece is attached to green. So we need to find the green center. We need to turn it like this. White is on top. We need to turn it like this all the way to the green center, which is right there. Then we're going to turn it 180 degrees so that the white is up here. Okay, like that. And then we have that. Another thing of the cross. And then there's also like special ones that are like this. And instead of the white being down here and the orange being here, it's the opposite. So what you're going to want to do is the same thing. Turn it up 180 degrees. And then 90. Okay? And then you're going to turn this. You're going to take this out of the way. So, if you go like this, you're going to take this out of the way. So, you're going to push this over. So, you're going to want to turn it and then push it up and then turn it back again to its original position. And then we need to find more. Here's another one, white and red. You're going to turn it to the red center, and you want to turn it. And then now we have the cross. So to see if this is correct, you have to have these the same color. And so, for example, red, green, orange, and blue. They're the same color, these things, okay? And now what we're going to do are the corners for the white. Here is one. We need to find them. Here's a corner. And we need to put this piece between the corners. White, orange, and blue. So we need to find those corners. Here's orange, here's blue, and here's white. So we're in between the corners. White, orange, and blue. So then when we're here, we need to do the left-hand algorithm, which is up, right, down, left. And we need to continue doing that until the white is down here, okay? So, up, right, down, left. Up, right, down, left. Up, right, down, left. So now we have that corner in. Next corner, we need to have it between green and red and white. So we need to move it between the corners. Green, red, and white, just like that. Now we have to do the left-hand algorithm again until we have the white in the corner. There we go, and you continue doing this until we have the white. There we go. We're just missing one more corner, which is up here. In the case that the corner was down here, you'll just have to do a normal an algorithm either side, okay? But our corner isn't down here, so it's up here. And now you need to find between white, orange, and blue. Here's orange, here's blue, and here's white. So you're just gonna do that. Even though you take away a corner, so one that's already white, you just need to do this. And there you go. And then this one goes between blue and purple. We have to do it here. There we go. And then the next one is right here. It's between orange and green. So then you go like this. And then there we go. We have the white. So, and it turned out that if that's correct, we need to have this first layer all solved. Okay? So then once we have that, we're going to want to solve the second layer. So we need to go up here where the yellow center is and find parts in the cross that don't have any yellow. For example, orange and yellow. This piece has yellow. Orange and blue, it doesn't have yellow. So then we're going to want this piece right here, the lower one is blue, so we're going to want to turn it to the color blue. And then it's with orange. It's with the color orange. And orange is to the left. Okay? So then we're going to want to turn this piece away. And what we're going to do here is that we're going to put this piece here. Okay? So we're going to want to turn this away and go. Do the left algorithm. And then turn the cube. We've done it in the blue. Now we need to do it in the orange. And do the right hand algorithm. And then the piece that was here is now here. And then we need to continue doing that. Okay. Now, okay, let's continue. Red and blue. We need to turn it, oops, daisy. We need to turn it to the red, and it's with blue. And blue is over here, so we just turn it the opposite way. And do the algorithm. And then there we go. We have the whole second layer solved. Now, what we're going to do is that we want to make a yellow cross. Okay, so we're going to take one of the sides and go like this. Turn it, just like that, okay? Like this. And now, we're going to do an algorithm. The right side algorithm. Until we have like an L. Okay? But the L has to be like this. One sec. Yeah. Okay, the L has to be like that. So we continue doing that. 2, 3, 4. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn it back. Well, yeah, okay. So now we're going to turn it all the way up here. So we have it now. And now we want to do a horizontal line. So we're going to turn it. And then again. And then there we go. We have a horizontal line. And then we're going to want to do it one more time to get the cross. And then turn the blue back where it was. So now we have the cross. Now what we want to do is have here like a line. And we only have the blue. So then what we're going to want to do is grab any, well, we have the orange and the green. Yeah, that's better. The orange and the green. So we're gonna put one behind, one that has the whole line behind, and the other one that has the whole line of the same color in your right hand. And then you're gonna do this. Okay, so you're gonna wanna open this and keep an eye on these two pieces, okay? We're gonna be moving them around the cube. So you're gonna wanna move them over there. You're gonna close this back up. Then you're gonna move them so it's on the left hand side of the cube. Then you're gonna open this back up and then push them to where they belong and close. Now if you've done this correctly, you're gonna have this line of the same color on everyone. Well, I already solved this side. And there you go. Now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna solve these corner pieces. So, well, first we're gonna see if they're in the correct spot. So, if they're in the correct spot, for example, this one would have to have red, blue, and yellow. And it has orange, blue, and yellow. So that corner is not in the correct spot. This one isn't either because it would have to be orange, blue, and yellow. And it's blue, pink, red, and yellow. This one isn't correct either. And this one isn't correct either. So if none of them are correct, you're just going to pick any side and do this algorithm. So you're going to turn left, up, left, up, left, down, left, down. So then you're going to check again. This corner is not correct. This corner isn't correct. This corner isn't correct. And this corner is correct. So if you have one corner correct, you're just going to continue doing that with that corner. The corner that's correct. So left, up, right, up, left, down, down. So you're going to check again. This corner is correct. This corner is correct. This corner is correct. And this corner is correct. So now we're going to finish solving the cube. And now we're going to finish solving the cube. So, okay, so this is going to get messy, okay? So don't get frustrated. Okay, so this step is the most important step because if you do it wrong, you have to start the whole cube all over again. So, what you need to do is grab a side that isn't complete and go. And do the right hand algorithm 4 times. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. When you're done, you're going to turn it over. You're going to want to stay on the blue side or on whatever side you chose at the beginning and just turn it over and do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to turn it over until you get the corner that is not good. And do it again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And there you go.
And very good.
Easy as
See you,
pie.
bye.